Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto on MeatMask wallet. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and navigate to the MeatMask official website. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here, click on the Buy and Sell button and select Get Started. Now, select the region you are located in and then select a payment method. Simply click on Debit or Credit Card and proceed towards the next step. Here, you need to enter the amount of crypto you would like to buy and also select the preferred network you want to use. There are various networks available, so you can choose either one. There is also a search bar at the top to search for networks that are available. After selecting them, you can also change to other payment methods if you want. Once you have all of them selected, click on the Connect MeatMask button and a pop-up will appear. Inside it, click on Next and your account will be connected successfully. Once connected, choose any one of the payment methods from the right side. For this tutorial, I am going to select Coinbase. Once selected, you will be prompted to log into your account. Simply sign in and your transaction will be completed. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.